Do you feel like there's too much information going around and you just can't control it? Now is the time to return to being a hero instead of a zero. Genius Core by Process Genius is a top-of-the-line digital twin for professional use in demanding environments. A digital twin is a mirror image of its surrounding environment. Its user interface collects data from a company's background systems into an easy-to-understand, visual and analyzed form. This browser-based platform is fully configurable according to your company's needs. It can be utilized in daily management tasks by monitoring and providing updates on production, as well as observing and ensuring adherence to quality and security standards. A role-based user interface enables profiles and views for people in different organizational roles. Genius Core combines all sources of data while optimizing their use. Don't let data noise stop you. Harness the power of business intelligence and analytics and start making better decisions by gaining confidence through control.